It is day 2 of the chicken update, and she's doing a lot better. A lot better. Here are the dogs in the background. There they are. Like, ooh, it's a new animal. But she's doing a lot better. She's walking pretty good. And I think she'll be able to be put back with the other chickens in maybe like a couple more days. Hey, be quiet. And then, but yeah, I think they'll be good, and she'll recover. I think she's recovering quickly, and she's doing good. But basically it. And we're at 95 subscribers. Let's hit 100, guys. And comment down below what I should do for my 100 subscriber celebration. But we're almost there, so let's get there. And comment what you need a name for the chicken.